Good morning. So now we are in Genesis chapter 27. Ano ba yung meron dito sa Genesis chapter 27? Ito yung excuse me. Yung Genesis 27, ano yan? Binless ni Isaac si Jacob. Parang binigay ni Jacob yung blessing niya kay Isaac. Supposed to be yon ay kay Esau. Dahil favorite ni 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 Isaac si Esau at favorite naman ni ni Rebecca si Jacob, kaya gumawa ng paraan ng kanyang ina. Dinisave nila si Jacob dahil matanda na si Jacob, bulag, hindi na siya masyado nakakaaninag, hindi siya bulag, hindi nakakaaninag because of his old age. So, ang tanda na niya, sobrang tanda na niya. Excuse me. Ang ginawa niya, pinagsuot niya ng balahibo, yung balahibo ng kambing, dahil alam ni Jacob yung balat ni Esau, mabalahibo. So, yun ang ginawa niya nung mga hingi ng pagkain si Isaac kay Esau. So, dun nga yun nangyari na Genesis 27 show how God's plan moves forward even though through human weakness, mistakes, and imperfect motive. Yun yung sinasabi ko kanina na kahit na sa hindi tamang paraan na diniceive ni Rebecca si Jacob, pero yung pa rin yung yung pa rin yung talagang nakalaan na plano ng Panginoon. Isaac intended to bless Esau, but through Rebecca's guidance and Jacob's deception, the blessing was given to Jacob, just as God had already declared before the twins were born. See, bago pa lang silang pang-ipenanganak, ay nakasulat, ano na yun sa kanilang mga palad. Nakalaan na yun talaga kay Jacob. This chapter reminds us that God's purpose will prevail even when the people act wrongly, though action still bring consequences. Yun po yun. Kahit nasa maling paraan na nagawang si Jacob ang na-bless instead of Esau. Yan po yun. God's will cannot be stopped. Hindi natin kayang pigilan ng Panginoon. Jacob received the blessing, but he lost peace, trust, and family harmony. Meaning, sa ginawa na yun ni Jacob, na kinuha, sa kanya napunta yung blessing, sa ginawa na yun ni Jacob, sa kanya napunta yung blessing na pinagkaloob ni Isaac na kanilang ama sa hindi tamang paraan. Favor does not justify wrongdoing. Being chosen by God does not excuse dishonesty or manipulation. Meaning, hindi niya ine-excuse yung ginawa na yun ni Jacob at ni Rebecca. Parental favoritism causes division, which is really true. Isaac favored Esau, Rebecca favored Jacob. This led to family conflict and broken relationships. So, dahil dyan, umalis si Jacob ng ibang bayan, nagpunta sa ibang lugar dahil sa takot niya na makasaktan siya or patayin siya ni Esau. God promises are fulfilled in His way and time. There was no need to rush or deceive. God would fulfill these promises without sin perfect, which is really true. No? Alam ng Panginoon ang kanyang plano at ibibigay niya yon kapag yun ay pinangako niya. Blessing carry responsibility. Spiritual blessing shape the future and must be handled with integrity and faith. Kapag pinagkaloob sa iyo ng Panginoon yung blessing na yan, talagang meron kang dapat tuparin ng mga responsibility. Kailangan i-handle mo yun with integrity and faith. So, God is faithful to His promises, but He desires honesty, trust, and obedience from us. When we try to help God through our own schemes, we often create pain, which is really true. Yet, God, in His mercy, still works through it to fulfill His greater purpose. Kita niyo po? Nangyari ang mga talagang nakalaan naman kay Jacob, pero hindi nakapaghintay sila Jacob at Rebecca, so kaya nagkaroon ng problema, nagkahiwalay silang ang mga pamilya, si Jacob nagpunta sa ibang lugar, umiwas kay Esau, pero at the end niyan, may magandang pangyayari yan. Trust God's plan, walk in truth, He is always faithful. Amen. So, sana po, ganun tayo parati. Mag-isip tayo parati na hindi tayo pababayaan ng Diyos. Kung meron tayong mga hinihingi sa Kanya na hindi pa binibigay ngayon, just wait and pray. Huwag tayong gagawa ng masamang paraan para lang natin makuha yon. Always be honest and always faithful to God. That's all. Good morning. See you again.